everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. For my OGs, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. So my name is Mercy. I'm in Nigeria, currently living here in Germany with my family. Okay, I have 4 kids and this is my 5th baby. Okay, so today we'll be doing like a baby haul, you know, things that I order online as well as things I bought here in the shop, which I promised you guys in my last video that I will, you know, show you guys everything that we bought that day. So by the grace of God, everything that I ordered online, they are here now. So I'll be doing the haul together so that you guys can see how far I have gone, you know, to buy baby things and things that I have already bought for baby. Okay, so if something that interests you, please stay tuned and enjoy this video. Okay, make it till morning. So guys, welcome back. I'm not wasting your time, let's get started because I don't want this video to be long. So let's start from the things that we bought online. So here, let's see what is there. Okay, so this is a baby's electronic manicure set. This is just like a nail file, okay, for baby, because last time the one I normally use is this set one that normally have like scissors and all those stuff. So whenever I'm cutting my baby's nails, you know, I can remember like Ugonna, he always disturb, you know, so I'm always afraid to use those ones. But this one, it seems like it's kind of easy. It's just for you to, you know, file it. Let's open it. So as you can see, it looks like this. I hope you guys can see it. So you just put any one that you know that is going to be okay for the baby, and you use it to just file it. I think this one is more secured, so we are going to close it. That is it. That is the first item here. So the second one here is so let's see, what is this? Okay, this is kind of underwear, yeah, for my postpartum. So guys, look at it, kind of big. So I bought like okay, this is just like 5 with different colors. So this is just for my postpartum underwears. Okay, so the next one is going to be this. What is there? Okay, this one as well is a bra. Okay, so I bought it like a 3 different colors. So this one have this clip here that you will just open it. Let's see, that you just open it and then you breastfeed your baby. So it's very easy. So the next thing in there is, yeah, this postpartum belts, belly belts. This is just like a lifesaver. It really helped my tummy to go down like very fast, because this is not that kind of hard. You can use this one like from the day that you give birth to maybe till 1 month, then you can start using like other ones. But this one is very comfy, it's very, very comfortable. So let me open it so that you guys can see it. So look at it. It's very comfortable, it's not that hard. You can start using it immediately you give birth. So I normally take it to hospital as well. This is one of the things, like one of the most important things I normally put in my hospital bag. Yeah, so and let's see what is here. So okay, this is a gown that I bought like for breastfeeding, that I will have as easy access. Like as you can see, it has this here. So if you want to breastfeed, it's very, very easy for you to, you know, open. I think I bought it in a 3 different color. I think, okay, 4 different colors, guys. Just look at it, 1, 2, 3. So this is it, just the same thing, okay, but different colors. So I'll be taking like 1 or 2 in my hospital bag. Yeah. Guys, I'm doing this unboxing like very fast because I need to go and pick my, you know, my children in the school. So yeah, this is So this is a baby's bed sheet. okay, because the one we're gonna have is kind of old, so I'm going to change it for baby, you know, because baby is going to be using Ugona's bed. So we have already bought another bed for Ugona. So that is one thing about, you know, that I'm having a baby boy. So most of the things I have already have them because of Ugona. Okay? So the next one is going to be this one here. This one is just baby bed sheet, and the other one is baby spread. So they come together, the same company, from Amazon. Yeah. And then we have this package here. Let's open it and see what is inside. So this one is baby's bed set, such as bed sheet, everything that you need for baby's bed is in here. Okay, and then let's see what is here. So this one here is baby nest. This is just a baby nest. This is a TikTok. You can use this side, you can use this side as well. So if I just want to stay here in the living room, I can just put this on the couch and then put baby. It's very, very secured. Okay, yeah. So the next one is this big package, and it's heavy. Yeah, so this one here is a baby swing. Okay, so I'm going to bring it out now. Later then I'll go ahead and set it up. So this is a baby swing. It looks like this. I will insert the picture here in this video after I have already, you know, set it up. So this, I'll be using it especially here in the sitting room, because I can remember the last time I bought it for one. Now most of the time it was here in the living room, so it was always helpful. Even in the kitchen, like if I'm doing something, I'll just put baby will be seeing me, you know, with all those you know, nice music and all those stuff. So this is the most important, like, baby stuff, you know, that I really need, because it really helps. Whatever you are doing, even if you are in the guest room, bathroom, you can just put baby there. Baby will be looking at you and you'll be doing whatever you are doing. Yeah. So let's put this one aside. So this is most of the things that I got online. Okay, so those things I bought last time that we went for shopping, they are here. So this is just like a baby wrap, and then this is a baby's towel. So this is a bowl for if I want to bath baby. So I went ahead and bought another mattress for baby. So this one here is a mattress for baby, because the one Ugona is using is kind of old, so I really want to change it. And then the next thing I bought is this bowl here that I will be using to put all his stuff, like if I want to bath him, such as his cream, comb, all those stuff, you know. So here I'll be putting them. And then, so this is a bathtub. I hope you guys can see it. Let me bring it in a little bit. So bring it more closer. So this one here is a baby's bathtub. Okay, so this one's here. If I set it, this is a place that I'll be putting like his baby stuff as well. Like I can put Pampers here, I can put cream, everything that baby will be using to bath. I'll be putting it here. There's a place here I have to set it. I think yeah, I think here I just want to put it just like this. And then after bathing the baby, this is a place that I'll be changing his Pampers as well. So this is kind of a 2-in-1. So I love it. It's not going to, you know, occupy like too much space in a baby's room. Yeah. So let's go ahead for baby's clothes that we bought that day. in this bag is a baby's clothes. So let's go ahead and see what is inside. So right here we have a baby's onesie. This one is very very warm for baby. I believe that I'll be taking this, you know, to the hospital for baby, like coming back home outfit, you know, and it's 100% organic cotton. So this is another baby's blanket, okay, and this is a towel for baby again. So this is another baby's clothes. Here they are so pretty, guys, very very beautiful. So this one is the baby set. Oh, I love this one so much. So this is the one there. I bought some for like from 0 to 3 months, as well as from 3 months to 6 months as well, because baby, they normally grow like so fast. So this one is the one that he'll be using immediately, you know, he's born. Other ones he can start using them like from 2 months, but this one is going to be okay for a newborn baby. Yeah, so that is it. So pretty, guys. This is another set for body, and then so this is a peep for baby, this one, and this is a small hand shoe. This is so pretty, guys. And the hat, this one is just like a set for baby. So this is hat, and this is a, you know, hand shoe. This is another bib for baby. So this is a baby stockings. This is another onesie. It's very nice. This is the set. So this is a baby socks. And then I bought for myself some socks as well. So guys, this is everything that's inside this bag. So other stuff like baby Pampers, baby's cream, all those stuff, I have already bought them, and I'm trying to arrange baby's room before baby is here. To be honest, I know that I don't have a lot of time anymore, so but I need to hustle up to, you know, make sure that everything is ready before baby arrives. Yeah, so I'm going to end this video here, and thank you so much for unboxing all this baby stuff with me. I really hope that you have idea, like if you are first mom, that things that it's supposed to be buying. Like for me, all these things I bought now is things that I know that I'll be using like immediately I give back to him. So thank you so much, and for watching. So if today is your first time, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell as well, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, please support me by liking this video, share it if you can. Okay, God bless you all, and I will leave you guys here till in my next video, guys. Okay, bye bye for now, guys. Bye.